Hi students, welcome to the video lecture 6 on the topic laminar and turbulent flow. So in the previous class already we have solved the problems on this Darcy-Weisbach equation as well as Hedges equation. In the today's class let us solve some more problems on this. So calculate the discharge through a pipe of diameter 200 mm and the difference of pressure head between the two ends of the pipe is 500 meter, apart is 4 meter of water. Take the value of F is 0.009 in the formula, that is HF is given by 4FL V square divided by D into 2G. So in the previous problems he was not given the coefficient of friction. Here directly he has given the friction coefficient, whereas head loss due to friction, that is HF, also he has given already, that is HF pressure head, which is 4 meters of water, already he has given in the problem. He has asked us to calculate the discharge here. So where discharge is given by the formula Q is equals to area into velocity. So whereas diameter of the pipe he has given in terms of mm, D is 200 mm, we have converted it in meter here, 0.2 meter. So L is 500 meter, HF he has given, friction coefficient he has given. So HF with this equation, L he has given, F with this equation, let me calculate V square I will take separate. V square is equals to HF into D into 2G divided by 4FL. With this I have calculated the velocity V square is equals to 0.872. Therefore V is equals to root of this answer. So that will be equals to 0.9338, which is equals to 0.934 meters per second. Whereas this discharge Q is given by velocity into area. So velocity already we have calculated, that is 0.934 meters per second, where area is given by pi upon 4 d square. So pi upon 4 d is 200 mm, so this is 0.2 meter square. So discharge is 0.0293 meter cube per second, which is equal to 29.3 liters per second. So the last problem we'll solve from this section. So an oil of specific gravity 0.9 and viscosity 0.06 poise is flowing through a pipe of diameter 200 mm at the rate of 60 liters per second. Find the head lost due to friction for a 500 meter length of the pipe and find the power required to maintain this flow. So here specific gravity of the oil he has given. With this specific gravity of the oil, directly we can calculate the density of the oil as 900 kg per meter cube. Viscosity of the oil he has given it as 0.06 poise. So we have converted it divided by 10. We have converted it viscosity in Newton second per meter square. Diameter D he has given 200 mm. We have converted it in meter, 0.2 meter. Discharge he has given in liters per second. We have converted it in meter cube per second, that is 0.06 meter cube per second. Whereas length he has given 500 meter. This density rho already we have calculated here, 0.9 into 1000, 900 kg per meter cube. Reynolds number first we will calculate, rho Vd divided by mu. So directly he, instead of in the previous problem he has given viscosity, kinematic viscosity, he has given viscosity only. Let us use this formula only, that is the density is 900, velocity he has not given here, we will keep as it is. D is 0.2 divided by this viscosity. So first let us calculate now velocity. Velocity is given by discharge divided by area. Discharge is 0.06 pi upon 4 d square. So with this we have calculated the velocity as 1.91 meters per second. So now with this velocity I will substitute in this equation and I will calculate the Reynolds number. So my Reynolds number is 57,300. That means Reynolds number is in between greater than 4,000. So which is a turbulent flow. So let us use this formula to calculate F value here. So where F is given by this formula. So this friction coefficient value I have calculated it as 0.0051. With this, let us calculate the head loss due to friction. HF is given by 4FL V square divided by D into 2G. So for F already we have calculated here. L already it is given in the problem, 500 meter length of the pipe. Velocity we have calculated 1.91. D is 0.22 into G is 9.81. So now we have calculated this head loss due to friction. So now let us calculate last one, that is power required to maintain the flow. This power required is given by the formula rho G Q into HF divided by 1000. So density is 900, G is 9.81, Q discharge is 0.06, where HF head loss due to friction we have calculated it as 9.48 meter divided by 1000. So my power required to maintain this flow is 5.02 kilowatt.